Hi there and welcome. Adita Lang here. So here's what I want you to do. In the next 60 minutes, we are going to combine some strength training and some flexibility. You're going to want a cleared out area, a mat, preferably 2 sets of dumbbells, a lighter set and a heavier set, water close by, and as you take class, make sure you have your favorite tunes playing in the background. Take breaks when you need to and work at a pace that feels comfortable to you. Are you ready to get started? Let's do this. And we are going to start. Let's place both legs out, take a big deep breath up, and as you exhale, round your shoulders forward and hold. Good morning, good morning. Bring it all the way up, extend those arms up and back. One more time, round the shoulders forward. And here's what we're gonna do. Take one arm, reach it out all the way across. Really give yourself a nice stretch, and then reach the other arm across as well. Bring it back to center, and we're gonna roll through our toes, tapping that toe, reaching the arm across. Full inhale, full exhale. Now the goal here is we got to warm up, so we have to really get. Thanks for joining me in today's class. Well, hopefully you feel nice and toned and ready to conquer your day. With that said, drink plenty of water, eat healthy snacks throughout the day, and really keep moving as much as you can. Have a great day. Bye for now.